simply His grace runs deep. While I was a slave to sin, Jesus died for me. Yes, He died.